I want to show you how to use the YouTube interface when you're looking at these videos so that you'll be comfortable with that. YouTube interface has kind of changed in the last little bit if you're not used to it. What you're seeing here is the new interface. I have it set up that when you come to my page it should be set to the videos tab, so you should go straight to the videos area. I want to touch something real quick. I want to go back just to the main YouTube page. If you log in, you just go to youtube.com, as you can see up here. You can find this pretty easily. Just go to ECTC Webmaster. If you want to search, if you forgot your link or you don't want to have to access your email to find the link to the web services training videos. And when you do a search, if you put in ECTC Webmaster, you'll see that first thing comes up. In fact, the only thing that comes up for under that particular thing are the web services training videos. So you can click here. That will take you to the webmaster's page. And like I said, it should bring you in. The default is set to go to the videos page. You don't have to worry too much about the featured. The feed will give you a little more information on the videos. If you click on the feed tab, you can see a little bit the description of each video is there, so you can read a little bit about it and maybe find the one that you want. And you can also search for videos that you are looking for. In particular, there's a lot of keywords that I enter in on these videos so that they'll be easier to find. I'm going to just put in hyperlinks here, and notice it pulled this particular one, part 5, up to explaining about the hyperlinks. So use the search feature. It's really handy. I'm just going to click back on videos here. Oops. And bring it back to where we were. Another thing you can do is sort how this page, the page basically is sorted. The default is from newest to oldest. The newer videos are at the top. You may, if you're in the process of learning and you're starting with the older videos, you may want to use oldest to newest. As that will give you some of the arrangements, see, like logging on, how to use the desktop interface, content editor, things like that, kind of progress through. That's your choice, and whatever's suitable to you. Or you can use the search feature or just browse. There's not that many videos, so you can kind of look through it. Now, one other thing, if you pull up I want to show you, I'll just take the login. I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to pause it just a second. On this video, there's a few things you can do, and I've tried to make it as clear as possible, trying to make it where it's not too bulky as far as size, and yet it's pretty clean. You have the option here to do a few things. You'll notice this tells you that there's 2 minutes and 24 seconds of this video. This is the play and pause button here. You also have a sound adjustment where you can grab this bar and drag it to give you the level of sound that you need. And if you're having trouble hearing, make sure that this is turned all the way up, and then use your computer volume control to manage, what the level is. You can also click on the screen. I'm going to mute this so that it doesn't play. You can just click on this button and it will mute. I'm going to click on this, and you see that it it's now playing. You can see the mouse moving on the screen, and I can click on the screen and pause it. So you can click out here anywhere to pause or play, or you can use the button. In the future, all of the videos will be closed caption, which is something I'm working on. This feature here will let you decide at what setting you want to run. This is a high definition setting, meaning 720 pixels is the highest setting that you can get. right now on YouTube. So what this basically means is that if you've got a high bandwidth connection, like your work, and you've got a good connectivity and you've got good bandwidth, you can use the higher pixel setting, and it will give you a much clearer picture. If you're at home and you've got a slow connection, you can turn this down to as low as 240. Picture won't be as clear, but it doesn't take as much bandwidth to run, so you can make that setting yourself. And then over here you've got some options as well. Here is an option to give you a little larger player, which will enlarge this window so that you have something in that about that size and that range. And then you've got this option which allows you to go full screen. And in the full screen mode, you see that it controls the whole thing. I'm going to press play. It gives you more clarity, and you can see things a little better. And then you can either click this button to escape, exit full screen, or you can hit the escape button and go and get out of full screen. Okay, now on any of these videos, you have the ability to enlarge them. You have the ability to change the size, shape, back down, some with closed captioning. One of the things I'd like for you to do, and I'm going to go back here to the main page. One of the things that you should do is right here at the top says subscribe. If you're going to be watching these videos and you're going to try to keep up with all the new stuff that comes out anytime there's a change, you can click on the subscribe button, enter your information, and it will send you an email. According to the way you have it set up, it'll send you an email, let you know anytime a new video is uploaded, what it is, and you can decide whether it's something you want to watch or not. So I would highly recommend to go ahead and subscribe. And I think that's about it. It's not hard to use, but if you have problems, you know who to call. Thank you.